How to download and install OANDA app on Android. First of all, open the Google Play Store app on your device and tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then in the search bar at the top, type OANDA. Once the result appears, look for the official OANDA app developed by OANDA Corporation. Tap on it to open the app page. After that, press the install button and the download will begin. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so just wait until the installation is complete. Once installed, you will see the open button in the Play Store, or you can find the app icon directly on your home screen or in your app drawer. Simply tap on it and the OANDA app will launch. Now you are ready to explore its features, create or log into your account, and start managing your trading activity with ease. Now you know how to download and install OANDA app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.